Hey, are you still typing prompts? Instead, direct AI videos with your voice. That's much easier.
LTX Audio-to-video is here. And it's easy to use!
I tested LTX Audio-to-video to create realistic dialogue scenes. You know the pain in AI dialogue scenes. You have to generate every line one by one and align with characters so it looks natural. LTX flips that workflow. The audio drives the scene, so voices stay consistent and motion actually follows the timing and emotion in the track. You upload an image with 2 characters and an audio track, and it automatically figures out who speaks when, plus generates the performance around it. Let's test it and see how it all works in practice. And Google just dropped Gemini Music, aka Lyria 3, and it's so much fun to use. It matches perfectly with LTX's audio-to-video for generating music videos with natural singing.
Silas, I've been sitting on my hands for weeks. Are you actually going to pull this off, or are you just stalling?
Honestly, Jax, it hurts that you'd even question my reliability.
Oh, please. It's not just that I question it. I flat out know you're unreliable. You never lift a finger unless your feet are directly over the fire. Well, consider this the flames. If I don't get the decrypted assets for the CyberJungle drop, your entire credit line gets frozen permanently.
Easy now. Let's not resort to the nuclear option. I've got a crew touching down tonight for a separate gig. It's a quick in and out, maybe 2 days, 3 at the absolute most. The second that's wrapped, I'll slice through the corporate firewall, grab your assets, and be out before they even trigger an alert. Just breathe. I always deliver.
You always deliver a fantastic excuse. I'll give you that much. Fine. But you get exactly 1 week.
1 week. Or, 8 or 9 days if the grid acts up.
Don't test me.
Hey, you can't blame a guy for trying to build in a buffer. Deal. To successful ventures.
To actually doing your job.
First, I'm gonna start with consistent character creation flow, and then we will jump into the audio-to-video. LTX also launched a new Elements feature. Now, Elements feature is much more consistent because it supports multiple images. Let's create a new element. I'm gonna click on this. I'm choosing character and hit continue. The new Elements flow now supports up to 10 images. You can upload multiple images from different angles for the same character, and you will get an enhanced consistency for your characters. I will name my character as Jax and uploaded 5 images generated using NanoBanana Pro. Additionally, I can also pick a voice for my character to keep it consistent. But for now, I will leave this blank and hit Save Element. My character is created here, and I created a secondary character called Silas. Now, using these 2 characters, I will create a cinematic dialogue scene. I'm switching to Gen Space. Here, using NanoBanana Pro, I can create a scene where they are sitting together in a bar setup. I wrote cinematic photo of Silas and Jax. I mentioned these characters. They are sitting next to each other in a futuristic cyberpunk bar, a medium shot. And I generated multiple images where they sit together. Among multiple options I decided to use this one because I thought this is by far the best option. The cool thing is you can directly add this shot to the storyboard using Send to Storyboard function. When you click on it, it will add this shot as a first shot to your storyboard navigator. For a smooth-looking dialogue scene, it's also important to have close-up shots of our characters in the same bar setup, so both location and our character should stay consistent. For this job, using NanoBanana Pro again, I wrote show me close-up of the Silas in this scene. And I attached the scene where they are having drinks together in the bar, together with mentioned the element of Silas, and that it gave me these 2 shots where I can use in my dialogue scene. And I did exactly the same thing for my second character, Jax. Now comes the super fun part. Since I have this shot where they are sitting together, All I need to do is uploading an audio file where they just talk together, one after another. I will just combine the audio file into a single file. And model is clever enough to understand that who talks first, and then it just creates the dialogue scene for me. So I attach this 20 seconds long dialogue where they talk with each other one by one. I attach the reference image where they are sitting together with a simple prompt just to give model some hints. I mentioned woman speaks first, after that man replies. This is an optional step to improve your results, but this prompt is also super helpful. So I recommend you to add that as an optional step. After that, you hit generate. Let's see the result.
Silas, I've been sitting on my hands for weeks. Are you actually going to pull this off, or are you just stalling?
Honestly, Jax, it hurts that you'd even question my reliability.
Oh, please. It's not just that I question it. I flat out know you're unreliable. You never lift a finger.
So at the moment, there is 20 seconds limit on this feature. I think by time the limit will increase more and more. As you can see, it creates the whole performance of a dialogue scene just from the audio file. They speak one after another, characters in the background moving naturally, and she is even like about to take a sip from her beer, and then her line comes, and then she says her line. So the whole thing looks very natural. And of course, if you have a solo shot where only she's talking, or we are actually focusing on her close-up, you can simply attach her image with an audio file, and then you can write the prompt, woman speaks.
You always deliver a fantastic excuse. I'll give you that much. Fine. But you get exactly 1 week.
For the audio part, I use 11 laps, and then keep in mind that once you are happy with the result, you can send this video directly to your storyboard. It's nicely aligned here. So you have the full shot plan on top, with additional scenes you can easily add, depending on your creative workflow. This helps a lot to create basically smooth flowing dialogue scenes, because you know exactly who says what and when. And if you want to see your storyboard in a bigger size, you can click on storyboard option right here, and it will open your storyboard where you can see the consecutive flow of your shot list. Then you can export your whole storyboard using MP4 video format, or alternatively, you can export it as a pitch deck or video editing software asset. Now let's test Gemini music. Here's my track is about 1950s soul. Character sings the words. You talk like you know me, but you missed a few years. I learned how to laugh at my worst little fears. Let's hit generate. My generation is ready. Let's hear the result.
You talk like you know me, but you missed a few years. I learned how to laugh at my worst little fear.
Amazing, but I want this with a female voice. Change it to a female voice. So loading Lyria again. Let's hear the result.
You talk like you know me, but you missed a few years. I learned how to laugh at my worst little
That's pretty good. I'm gonna download this track, audio only, because for video, we will go back to LTX. So I have this shot here I created using a reference image and a simple prompt, cinematic photo of attached character in a red dress, singing in Chinatown, retro microphone from 60s. Okay, I use Nano Banana Pro here. Now I'm gonna switch to audio to video mode, and I will drag and drop this starting frame. And for the audio file, I'm gonna actually choose the file we just downloaded. Cool. I'm gonna use same exact prompt I used on Gemini without changing anything. And I hit generate. Let's see the result of singing test.
You talk like you know me, but you missed a few years. I learned how to laugh.
feel like audio to video from LTX and Google's new feature, they are really match made in heaven. It works really well. You can generate speech directly on LTX. For example, I have this Western type close-up of a character, and I'm gonna create a scene where she talks, and it's gonna be also an action. So I switch to audio to video mode. As you can see, I have two slots, one for audio file and one for starting frame. So I'm gonna use this as a starting frame. And audio, I'm gonna generate using LTX's library. So I click on Add Audio File. I have multiple options. I can upload an audio file, record an audio, or generate speech. For this example, I'm gonna choose Generate Speech, and this opens up Voice Library. So I can listen and pick one of the voices, male or female. Here's my script. I loved you and trusted you, but you betrayed me. I'm gonna choose angry lead character, right? So I have 5 seconds long audio and a starting frame. So for my prompt, she says her line and then she pulls the trigger, revolver shot. So we are structuring our prompt in a way that she starts with her line and then we continue with an action. Let's hear the result.
I loved you and trusted you. But you betrayed me.
Using LTX audio to video, we can create UGC type influencer videos. I'm gonna switch to audio to video again and drag and drop this image, which I created using Nano Banana Pro. Now, let's add an audio file. Let's generate the speech. I pick this voice. The script is gonna be something like an influencer would say. Guys, this is by far the best protein powder I tried. It has multiple flavors, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, and it tastes amazing. Influencer, high energy as a tone, and let's use this audio. So I simply attach this audio file I generated together with my influencer starting frame. When I copy pasted the line, let's see the result.
Guys, this is by far the best protein powder I tried. It has multiple flavors, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, and it tastes amazing.
Next thing I want to show you is new camera motion presets. You can find them under Motion tab right here. And this will give you a couple of cinematic motion presets like dolly left, dolly right, jib up, jib down, dolly in, dolly out, and these motion presets will really improve your cinematic AI videos. They have a highly visual library of this cinematic motion with previews that you can just hover over it and it will give you some ideas that what your shot will look like in the end. So I would highly recommend you to experiment with these camera motion presets because they can really elevate your AI films. Hopefully this video was truly helpful for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. If you want to learn more about future of AI storytelling, click here.